If you want to see the weather right inside Firefox every time you open a new tab, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the Firefox weather widget on the new tab page in just a few easy steps. This is a simple way to make your browser start page more useful so you can quickly check the forecast without opening another website or app. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, click on the New Tab button to open a fresh tab. This is where Firefox shows its built-in homepage and widget options. Now look to the bottom right corner of the New Tab page and click on Customise. This opens the settings panel for your Firefox New Tab layout, where you can choose what appears on the page. In the Customize menu, look for the option called Widgets and turn it on. Enabling widgets allows Firefox to display helpful items directly on the new tab page, including weather and other quick information panels. After that, click on Manage Widgets. This is where you can choose which widgets are active and visible. In the list of available widgets, find Weather and enable it. Once Weather is turned on, Firefox will start showing the Weather widget on your new tab page. You may need to confirm the changes or simply close the Customize panel for the widget to appear. Now, when you open a new tab, you should see the weather widget showing helpful forecast information right away. It's a quick and practical feature, especially if you like having useful info available at a glance. And that's it. You've now enabled the Firefox weather widget on the new tab page. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy browser tips, shortcuts, and how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.